Across the golden autumn sky, above the river shining blue, 1,000 wings are drawing lines toward the places that they knew. The mountains fade behind the clouds, the distant storms are left behind, and every feather holds a dream the passing seasons could not bind. Road of returning birds, carry me home tonight, over the fields and rivers wide, under the fading light. Road of returning birds, guide me across the years, back to the songs I almost lost, beyond my doubts and fears. The northern winds have lost their voice, the summer dust has washed away, and somewhere far beyond the hills, the lights of home begin to stay. The sky remembers every wing, the earth remembers every road, and every traveler learns at last the meaning of the path they chose. Road of returning birds, carry me home tonight, over the fields and rivers wide, under the fading light. Road of returning birds, guide me across the years, back to the songs I almost lost, beyond my doubts and fears. No matter how far we may roam, no matter where the wild winds lead, the heart still keeps a hidden map to every place it truly needs.